4th Regiment Cadet Leader Course, Alpha Company Bravo Company cadets were tested at Otto Gym for the Occupational Physical Assessment June 20, 2016. Developed in the last year, the OPAG is designed to measure a soldier's ability to meet physical fitness standards head-on their military occupation, especially and consistent of 4 activities: the standing long jump, sit power throw, deadlift, and interval aerobic test. The physical fitness standards for each Army MOS based on the OPAG have not yet been set. The average of soldiers' performance across the country and the physical demands of each MOS will be what determines each standard. The United States Army prides itself on effective preparations, proper training, and mission success. The hope is that the new standards set forth by OPAG will better prepare soldiers to perform more efficiently in which of their specialties. Reporting from Public Affairs, Fort Knox, Kentucky, this is Chloe Park.